Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a brand new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. Today we're going to be doing a unboxing for an item that Mom purchased over the holidays, which wasn't actually supposed to come until when?
February 14th.
Until February 14th, but it has come early, and we are very excited to show you guys what we ended up getting because we're very excited. Today is also Elizos' birthday. Hey. The kids wanted to surprise you, but they just come out on cue, but it's okay. So, we're going to be doing an unboxing for this new gadget for the kitchen that we're very excited to use. We're actually going to be using it for Elizos' birthday today. So without further ado, let's open up the box.
Yay! I'm excited! Okay, don't move because it's sharp.
I know. Be careful, guys. Hold on. Mom, you want to open this thing?
No, you open it because
No, baby, you can't help. Okay.
It's sharp.
Oh.
Wow.
It's a Breville, the smart oven, and
It's a
it's
smart
super big.
Oh,
oven.
jeez Louise. This later. Okay, you guys, so we are finally able to open it up. Here is the box.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. So what is this,
Box
Mom?
inside a box.
This is a smart oven air fryer.
So it does quite a few things.
It does air fry.
I knew it.
It's an oven.
It's an oven, it air fries. You can also put dough in here
Yeah, to rise.
to rise.
It also
That's a big.
Wow.
That's big.
wow. I think I have stuff, so I have more that coming.
Oh, like extra attachments?
Yeah, extra pans.
Extra pans. Wow, Eliza, are you excited to make fried chicken in here?
Yeah.
You love fried chicken?
Dude, watch out.
Yeah, we're gonna take it out. But you have to be careful.
You have to be
Okay,
careful.
stay right there.
Okay.
Okay, I'll take that out so you can pop it, okay?
Yeah.
You just have to wait for...
I think you have to
Stick.
Put it
make
sideways.
it yeah.
Okay, you guys, so Mom is currently taking out all of the little inserts and stuff that it came with, and we're just gonna be kind of like assembling it together. Now this thing is literally so cool. It looks like a standard kind of like toaster oven that Breville makes, but not only can you toast things in this, it's also an air fryer, which is crazy because you know how much we love our air fryer, but honestly, we love it so much that we want to use it all the time, like when we have parties and stuff like that. And when we have parties, we have so many people that come to the house, and so
It takes a
long time to cook enough food for everyone, especially when there's air fried food. And we love making like chicken and like potatoes and other things that you can use inside here. So now we have this larger air fryer that has a larger amount of space to cook with, and then we also have the other one. Now we literally have two air fryers that we're going to be using, and I could not be more excited. But these are all the different inserts that it comes with. This is like the air frying rack right here, and you can put that in there. You can put like whatever you're going to be cooking inside there, set the air fryer, and then it's going to be good to go. So this is just so exciting. We're going to have to take off all these stickers though, Mom.
Yeah, we have to take it out.
Take off all the stickers on here. We're actually going to be using it already. We have these delicious little chickens that have been marinating. Chicken wings that have been marinating for a little bit. And it's our favorite recipe of, what is it called, Mom? Peri Peri chicken. So good. And I'm just removing all of these little guys right here. so that we can get started with the oven. Look at this, it also comes with a pizza pan. You can make pizzas with this?
Yeah.
That is so cool. Here's a drip pan, I think, as well, or is this for like
Yeah, drip pan.
Drip pan, chicken, and we're just gonna get everything kind of assembled right here, and then we're gonna show you guys how we use. Oh my gosh, it comes out magnetically.
Yeah.
Oh, so cool! Look at that, amazing. So we're just gonna get this situated, and then we're gonna show you guys how we use this to make our fried chicken. What's inside here? Ah! There's a little Thackeray in a box.
Okay. I'm cold.
Oh, you're cold. Okay. You're gonna live inside this box. Okay. That's great. Alright, you guys, I have the oven going. It's preheating right now. And then once it's to the proper temperature, we're gonna fill up this guy with the chicken. I'm actually gonna get a baking or a cookie sheet to put underneath this so it doesn't leak all over the table, and I'm excited. Guys, so I pretty much just got half of this thing filled, and this was already to the right temperature, so I thought it was gonna take a long time. No, not long at all. So it's very, very fast heating up, and now we are ready to go. Also, this looks like this holds 2.5 times more chicken than the old or the other air fryer that we have. So this is already like so awesome because we're gonna be able to cook so much more at one time. Hey guys, I got the chicken in the fryer. Let's close this up. I'm so excited. So there it is. Yay! Chicken. Let's see how long this takes. So usually it takes around 15 minutes to be done, but I usually leave it in a little bit longer so that it gets extra crispy. So we're at a little bit over 15 minutes now that I put it in. The timer started at 18 minutes, but it took me a while to get everything situated. So we're gonna see how well this works. So you guys, I already like love this thing so much because number one, you can see right into it, so you know whether or not it's done. You don't have to keep opening it and checking it. And again, just the amount, the sheer volume of food you can put in there to cook is a good amount. Alright you guys, the chicken looks so good. John's eating all of it. Just kidding. But also, this is what we're having for Elizos' birthday. Some noodles, his favorite beef with onions, and the chicken and some rice. Yeah, chicken dance! Woo! Birthday boy is excited for his cake.
Oh yeah!
Chicken dance.
Okay, do the chicken dance. Yay! Okay, let's light up the candle. Well, let's take it out of the luggian. Yeah, let's take it out.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Lizo. Happy birthday to you.
Blow out the candles. Oh wait.
Oh.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes and make a wish. Close your eyes and make a wish.
Oh! I didn't make a wish.
You didn't make a wish.
Make a wish.
Wow. Okay. One more time. You have to close your
Alright, you guys, just got back inside my room. It was so much fun tonight. Elizos' birthday was fun. We just like the family just celebrated, and I think we might throw him like an actual party towards the end of the month. We're not too sure yet. We're just a little bit like partied out as far as throwing parties because we've just been having so many parties within the past like few months. It's just like so intense. So we just wanted a little break. So maybe at the end of the month, if anything, but it was still a lot of fun. Elizo loved his presents and his cake, and he was just so excited, you know, to turn 4 again. Like, that's so much fun. What else? Okay, so I was gonna try and do like a separate video for the new air fryer, but it was kind of just like all a hot mess with trying to film and like everyone just like going crazy. But the chicken was so good, And I actually made a batch in the other air fryer as well, and they both tasted delicious. So it was awesome. We love the air fryer. It's a lot larger and holds so much more food inside of it. So that's perfect for us because we always cook for like so many people. Though we still definitely are going to be using the smaller air fryer in conjunction with that one, especially when we have parties and stuff like that. But I'm going to end the video here. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Hope you guys had fun. Tomorrow is Friday. Super excited to take you guys to the Veterans Thrift, and you guys are going to see that episode on Saturday. But did I turn British? But horrible accent. Oh my gosh. So you guys will see that on Saturday, like I said, and I cannot wait to go thrifting this weekend. I'm so excited. I feel like I didn't really go thrifting that much this week, other than on Tuesday. So yeah, it's just been so busy. Oh my gosh. I don't even know. I thought I was gonna be less busy this coming year, but so far it's just been non-stop still. So take a breath. But right now I'm gonna work on tomorrow's vlogs, and yeah, I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all later. Bye. Let's take a look and see what we have over here. Oh, this is like a princess house thing. I think these are like, name holders, and then you put like a little bud, like a flower bud. It's actually really cute. They're $1.99 each. I wish they'd sell them as a set. What is this? I can't even read it. Johnson Brothers, England. Those are kind of cool.